Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Russia. Another great importing tip for you today. Today's tip is pretty much essentially how do you go about selling things on eBay. So how do you go about actually testing the market, or just basically starting out in eBay. And let me just share with you a quick story that one of my competitors did. They basically started off selling things on eBay by finding an existing power seller. Really easy to do, guys. You just basically find someone who's already selling a lot of stuff and approach them and say, hey guys, listen, I'm an importer and I can pretty much help you sell more stuff. I can source things directly for you, and here's what here's the products I want to bring in. Can you help me sell them? And just give them a commission, work out some sort of commission, some sort of value to actually give them. All right, so that's one way of starting out on eBay if you want to. And actually, let me just tell you one thing. The advantage of using a power seller is because they've got reputation, they've got credibility, and they're more likely to, if you can help them cut their margin to get some cheap products, then it's a win-win for everyone. And let me say one more thing about eBay. If you are wanting to go by yourself and start out, it's going to take you a little while to build up a bit of a reputation, but you can start off just selling household goods around the house, and then slowly, build up a reputation, get that 5-star feedback, and then basically start selling your products. All right. There's another thing I can't talk about too much on this video, but eBay advertising also is huge. eBay advertising. This is stuff we talk about at our trainings, our paid trainings and free events that we actually have here in Australia. That's it for me, guys. I'll talk to you real soon. This is Alex coming to you from Moscow with another fantastic import-export tip. I'll talk to you soon.
To gain access to my free video lessons, where you will discover how to find hot products to import that people want to buy, 7 easy ways to locate quality factories in China that won't rip you off, my secret negotiation strategies to getting great prices from factories, how to sell your goods once they arrive from China, and much, much more.